it's Justina from Justina Smile Photography. Today you'll see a review about this amazing ring light from GEEKOTO. It's an 18-inch LED ring light. It's supposed to be perfect for makeup tutorials, video shooting, portraits and food photography. So today I'll do the unboxing, setup and a very short test as well. So stick with me and let's get into this. Woohoo! Now I wish I had a cat, so it would really have a nice playhouse, but not yet, not yet. Ooh, excited? Okay, what's inside? Oh, wow, look at that! So basically I have the ring light, I suppose, inside this nice fiction bag, which is very cool because you can just totally carry around. Oh, oh, there's another box in the box. Whoa, and I have a feeling it is a tripod. I think that's right. Okay, first of all, I'm really excited to see what's inside this bag. Let's just open it up. Okay. Ooh. Oh guys, there's a lot of stuff. In the box you'll find a nice membership card for 30% discount. Then you'll find a bow mount, which of course is great for lifting up your camera just a little bit above the ring light. Then obviously there is a power adapter for just plugging in your ring light, so you can use it without any batteries. There is an information sheet what else GEEKOTO does, and also a very simple instruction manual. Obviously in the box there was a tripod, which is I think very cool and compact, not too heavy. I already mounted this, but there was a phone adapter, basically just for holding your phones, which is also stretchy. Yeah, so my Samsung Galaxy S6 fit here perfectly. Yeah, and obviously the ring light itself. What happens when I... Aha! Okay, that's cool actually. You can maybe do some product photography with that. That's cool, I like that. So, just took the power adapter, put this cable into the back of the ring light. Whoa, it's so bright! Whoa, nice, and it changes the color as well, so you can totally have bluish, or you can also have this very nice and yellowish look as well, so I think that's very great. So here's the turn switch. You can turn it on like here. The middle part is the turn off, and the number 2 here is for outdoor photography when you use these batteries. So exactly, here's the lithium battery, 7.4 volt. Here's the color balance button. So in that side, in the left, here's the very warm and nice color, and in the right side it's very blue color. It's very nice difference actually. So this circle here is just for brightness. Here, this bit is the screw for your camera, or for this part, which is the phone adapter. I can quickly show how easy that is. Whoa, that's awesome. Ooh, hey guys. Yeah. cool because you can see the circles in the eyes, and I think that's giving this professional look or whatever. I've seen makeup artists using this kind of light, ring light. Also, it totally removes all the shadows, so the skin actually looks quite nice and smooth. Cool. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna fix my camera on and let's see how that goes. My camera is pretty heavy, it's almost 3 kilograms, so I really hope it's gonna hold. So I finally fixed my camera on this ring light and I'm actually really happy. I didn't expect it's gonna be so bright. I didn't expect you can change the color balance basically to make it a little bit bluish or a little bit more warm. So one thing which I love about this ring light is the reflection in the eyes. I mean, just look into my eyes. So it really removes the shadows because it's 360 ring light. It's not like you would use several different lights. There's usually some shadowing going on, and this one really does the best job I ever seen. Even though I'm doing this product review for GEEKOTO, we sent me this light for free. I actually would be totally fine to invest in this because it's over $100. But it really does the job, and I don't feel like I would need any other lights. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this product review. This ring light is really amazing, and if you think where can I get this, it's very simple. Just simply go to Amazon.com, type in GEEKOTO 18-inch ring light for phone and camera, and it's there. So it costs $106. It's worth to invest it, and there's many reviews out there. You can just check them all and see how that feels for different people. But in my opinion, it's really worth it. It's really flexible. It's not that hard to set it up. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and thumbs up if you liked the video, and see you soon. Bye. Actually, wait a second, I'll take a chair. You know, 26 years old, it's, you know, difficult times. Test shot. I think it's cool, like, that it has the... Okay. So what happened? It didn't fall back. I just kicked it because my legs are too long and I'm pretty close, and I just kicked it and almost broke my camera and the ring light. So maybe it's time to finish this tutorial. This ring light is awesome. GEEKOTO, you go. Order this ring light, don't break your camera, and have a nice evening, day, or whatever. I'll just go and take off my camera so I don't break anything. I'm a great product review. My product reviews are great. Just send me all the products, they're safe in my hands.